Here's a video tour of the electric fans in a friend's house. But anyway, just this. I'll talk more about that room later. When you walk in, here's two SMC contemporary series ceiling fans, 44-inch. They appear to be in Satnico, but yeah, they're low, and these are also low. Some event they are pedestal fans, and yeah, those are those ones. And up here is this Mitsubishi air conditioner, and here is this German pool cooker hood. Oh, what can we turn it off? There, it's off. And we'll go upstairs. And upstairs, there are more SMC contemporary series up here, but as you can see right now, these are have the wood side blades. I don't know their official name, but let's turn them off so you can see them. Let's turn them off so we can see them. Let's turn one off anyway. But while we're waiting for that to spin down, in here is there's a SMC, not sure if it's a classic series, if there's a deluxe series. Anyway, it's found at the end of the classic series. But anyway, there it is. I think this might have been original, but the other two were bought from the other house when the other person moved out. There's that now, the blades. Yeah, it does have the blades on, and yeah. Let's go upstairs and let's try and figure out the light switches. There's an exhaust fan underneath. I forgot to mention. And all the other, it's marble vent fan. We'll be messing with lights all the way because, you know, that's good. Oh, and here's this SMC Deluxe series ceiling fan. There it is. And in here, finally, there are air conditioners all around. This is Panasonic one, and this one is a Whirlpool one. Whirlpool is in the brand that makes washing machines and stuff. Another marble exhaust, but anyway, there you go. Let's go back down and review. There's that one. And I usually do this in short video tours, but longer ones I don't. There's that one. Still spinning down. There it goes too. And wait, did I show you the air conditioners? Sorry. There's a Mitsubishi Electric. And in here, there's this other Mitsubishi Electric. And in here, Event Air pedestal fan. I forgot that in this Mitsubishi Electric again. And go back down. And it's about the whole house. Fine. Anyway, there you go. Maid's room has another one of these. Anyway, nothing in there. What? Thank you for watching. And it's Halloween, so you'll be expecting all sorts of these.